boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Ecstasy here. It's with the Laroi, and they do the song called All Right. So very nice, 3 chords only, very easy chords if you put a capo here on the 1st fret. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's start with this beautiful song here. Nice. So we're gonna go with C major 7. We have the G and we also have the D. So C major 7, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, and then open G, open B, and open E. We have G next. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord, D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. All right, so we have a very easy strumming pattern here for this one. So if we go to this C major 7, we're gonna have the chord progression here in the same order as we played the chords now. So the C major, G, and D. That's what we're gonna play through the entire song with this strumming. That's one round of it. So you're gonna play down, up, down, up. And I try here, since it's pretty fast strumming here, I try to have some variation, and it's not that easy. Sometimes you have a lot slowed down strumming here, and then it's much easier to have some variation to play in a certain way. But for this one, I try that as well. You're gonna play down, up, down, up. So the second down, or the last down here, will be down on the higher notes. So you're gonna play down, up on the bass string, then down on the higher, and then back to the bass on the final up there. So like that. So bass, bass, top, bass, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Like that. All right. So we're gonna play 4 rounds on the C major, 2 on G, and 2 on D. So slowly, a little bit like this. Yeah, and with tempo, something like that. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers Ecstasy and Laroi's All Right. So a nice quick one. Give it a try, and I hope to see you here very soon. Till next time, play tuned.